Do you and your team have a stack of documents to translate? Internal communication, white papers, press releases, the list goes on. Document translation is a huge time sink and, by extension, a drain on revenue. Thankfully, you can forget about file translation being a headache because there's a solution: DeepL Document Translation. Simply drag and drop whatever needs translating into DeepL, and in moments, you'll have a top-quality translation of your file with all of its original formatting preserved. Need to translate more files? Don't worry. Depending on your plan, each member of your team can translate up to 100 files per month. What a great way to eat into that stack of untranslated files. And you don't even have to do it one at a time. Upload multiple files and let DeepL handle the heavy lifting while your team focuses on other, more important tasks. Want to fine-tune DeepL's already great translation? Not a problem. Hit Translate and Edit, and your file will open in the DeepL Translator, where you can make any changes you want, ensuring your translation is exactly how you want it to be. And if you need to customize things even further, why not enable a glossary, which ensures that specific words and phrases are always translated consistently. From PDFs to Excel sheets to Word files, DeepL Document Translation saves you time, money, and headaches by making file translation quick, simple, and painless. Try out DeepL File Translation today and break down language barriers, one document at a time.